Hi, you live in Chicago. Why do you want to get your water tested, and what can you do about it? Well, first of all residents of Chicago, we get our water from Jardine Water Treatment Plant, which gets its water out of Lake Michigan. Now, Lake Michigan has a lot of industry around it. That is why there's hexavalent chromium 6 in our water. Yes, that's what that moving Erin Brockovich story was all about, that Julia Roberts got her Best Actress Award for. Also, there's forever chemicals in the water. There's trihalomethylanes. There's mercury. In fact, they tell you can't eat too much fish from Lake Michigan, but you can drink the water. Okay, if these toxins concern you, you should get your water tested. And if you want to learn more about how you can get that out using a reverse osmosis system, we recommend NSF, that means National Sanitation Foundation 58 listed reverse osmosis system. Watch our next video where we show you and we educate you on what a reverse osmosis system is.